Qirā'at in Prayer 103. Qirā'at in Prayer. IT is obligatory as a pillar of prayer for the person performing prayer to recite a certain amount of verses from the Holy Quran by pronouncing the letters with his tongue so that he can hear them, reciting in a voice so low that one cannot hear oneself is not considered recitation. However, those following the imam are exempt from this recitation and do not recite the Quran. This will be explained later. 104 recitation is obligatory in all rak'ahs of the Witr and supererogatory prayers, and in both rak'ahs of the two-rak'ah obligatory prayers. However, in 4-rakat obligatory prayers and 3-rakat obligatory prayers, Qirāt is obligatory only in the 2 rak'ats without designation. However, IT is considered necessary to perform Qirāt in the first 2 rak'ahs. For this reason, deliberately omitting the Qirā'ah in the first 2 rak'ahs is MAKRØH. Omitting IT by mistake requires the performance of the exempt AL-SAHÍH, prostration of correction. According to the accepted opinion, reciting the Fatiha in the other rak'ahs of the obligatory prayers is obligatory. If the Fatiha is omitted by mistake, it also requires the prostration of forgetfulness. However, according to other narrations, just as IT is permissible to recite the Quran in the 3rd and 4th rak'ats of the obligatory prayer, IT is also permissible to recite the tashbih or to remain silent for 3 tashbih counts. However, reciting the Quran is more meritorious, and reciting the Fatiha is sunnah. 105 regarding the required amount of Qirā'ah in prayer. According to Imam Azam, this required amount is at least 1 verse in each rak'ah where Qirā'ah is obligatory. Even if the verse is short, if this amount is recited from the Quran, this obligation is fulfilled. However, according to 2 imams and another narration from Imam Azam, this amount is 3 short verses, or 1 long verse equivalent to at least 3 short verses. This is also the precautionary approach, reading the verses Nun and Muhammadan, which consist of only 1 letter or 1 word, is not sufficient, according to the valid opinion, because this amount is not considered. QIRAT 106. A person who is unable to recite more than 1 verse recites that verse once in 1 rakat, according to Imam Azam, not 3 times. According to 2 imams, they repeat it 3 times. However, according to 2 imams, it is not permissible for someone who is able to recite 3 verses to repeat 1 verse 3 times. 107. According to the valid opinion, it is sufficient to recite 1 part of a long verse such as Ayat al-Kursi in 1 rak'ah and the other part in another rak'ah, because these are equivalent to 3 short verses. For the rulings on incorrect recitations, see the section on Zelatul Qari.